Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This gorgeous multi-family home has all the upgrades you could want in your dream home, plus 2 rental units. The owner's floor has a gourmet kitchen with upgraded cabinets, tons of closets, and many more upgrades that you need to see. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms upstairs, family room, dining, two-car garage, two balconies, balcony of the family room, laundry room, linen closet, camera closet, walk-in California closet in master, and huge closets in the other bedrooms. Office adjacent to the master bedroom. Rental apartment 1 consists of 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, laundry room, kitchen, living, dining room, and patio. Rental apartment 2 consists of 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, living, dining, kitchen, and detached laundry room. Water tank, 2 pump rooms with storage for gardening tools, 2 remote gates, garage door opener, camera system, monitored and intercom system. The house is being sold with appliances only, and the land area is approximately 21,780 square feet. And some other features includes ceramic tile and porcelain flooring, ceiling fans, grilled, kitchen built-ins, jetted bathtub, fully fenced, fully walled, TV cable, central location, easy access to amenities, private setting, low maintenance yard, quiet area, road paved and gated community. The asking price for this house is US 520,000 or Jamaican $80 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.